Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be honest, I don't know if this is a 200 gram or 500 gram. I've looked all over. I'm going to go with 200 gram fountain from Winda Fireworks. And this is part of their quiet collection called Silent Mode. I saw a date up here and I was trying to find the significance of that date. Like, what is that? And I realized that this whole thing is a tablet. You got your home button here, your swipe up, the date, the battery signal, the battery power, and panda up there, which is pretty funny. So that makes sense. Okay, let's see if we can find a performance. The performance is red, green, blue tadpoles, gold hydrangea, which is a new effect apparently, cherry flower, melting iron flower, and red and green bees. On the right, we have approximate duration is 68 seconds. Approximate height is 7 feet, and the colors are red, green, blue, gold, and silver. So we'll see how this goes. It's I would say a 200 gram fountain from Winda Fireworks. We got it over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This fountain. See you guys.